already know the captain here. But I'm the fake captain. Here is the real captain. This is where you have to come to Laos. My wish is to be happy. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Tracy and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. I used to say welcome to House of Tracy Ganda, but now I changed the channel. Anyways, today I have something interesting. I've not been posting anything about Laos, so you guys might be like, why isn't she posting? I know you guys don't care, I know you guys are not asking. Anyways, today I'm going for a boat cruise to see the beautiful sunset. I cannot wait to take you guys along. And another nice thing is I made two friends. One is called Morgan, he's from the UK, and one is called teacher Nina, and she's from China, and she's going to be teaching me Chinese, so stay tuned for those Chinese classes. But anyways, yeah, that's where I'm going. I look good, I'm shining. I just took a nice shower. Actually like editing a video right now. Let me stop. Kwekwazaring is I don't know what that is in English, but anyways, editing a video and it's soon coming up. It's the wash routine. I cannot wait to see you at the sunset. Bye guys. Oh, the other thing that I wanted to say is, guys, like this is really a by the way. I don't think I'll even put it in the introduction because I had already recorded the introduction, but let me give you guys some juice. Like about the past 5 or 6 months, I have had a very hard time connecting with people. I've not made friends, I've kept to myself, and that's not good, you know, because it brings some depressive moods and thoughts. But when I traveled to Laos, I made two friends already, right? I made Armia Rusty. We just call him Rusty because he doesn't like how we pronounce his name. And then I made a friend called Philip. You remember Philip from the bus. And now I just made a friend called Teacher Nina and Morgan and so many other people actually that I cannot remember their names, but it just gives me joy. Like, you know, yesterday, this is the juice. Yesterday when I went to eat, I'll insert the clips of the place where I ate yesterday. So there's this he's a Laos person, right? He's from Laos, and he's the waiter there at that restaurant. So he served me very well and I ate and stuff like that, and the food was so yummy. It was a roll. So after the rain started raining, remember I don't have a motorbike here, and this place it's very hard to like book a car. Like if you want to get a car, that's why you see that I'm using tuk-tuks like everywhere. I don't know how to book a car. I don't think it's hard, I just don't know how to do it. So anyway, the guy offered to take me home. He was like, because he noticed I was just stranded, just seated in his restaurant waiting for the rain to finish, but it wasn't finishing and it was storming, and even when it stopped raining it was still drizzling, and that drizzle that can make you real wet. And the place is like 25 minutes walking from here, so I always walk there to eat in the evening. Anyway, and he was like, let me take you home. Normally the teachers know to take rides from strangers, right? I was a bit scared, but I was like, you know what, he served me and he didn't kill me. If he wanted to kill me, he would have killed me already. So I accepted, and then when we were coming, we were talking. He drove me until he brought me back here. I was really happy. Like, guys, I am like, I don't know how to make friends, right? Like, I'm a very like approachable person, and when you look at me, like, I smile a lot, I talk a lot, like I'm very bubbly, but I had lost that. Like the past 6 months I had lost that kind of connection, and it really hurts. And now it feels like I'm getting my growth back and my spark back, and it feels real good. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. I just rambled about that for 2 minutes. Oh my god, I'm so sorry guys. Let's go and see the sunset. It's so beautiful. Laos, I love you. Guys. Good. No. I'm happy to be here. Guys, I will give you a tour of the cruise. Let's go. Can't wait to start. Anyway, let me show you guys. It has two floors, right? The cruise has two floors, the down floor and then the upper floor. So I'm going to show you without talking because I don't want to make other people uncomfortable. But guys, this is where you come to love. It's so good. Do you even see how my skin is skinny? My glow is glowing. My heart is hurting. Let me show you. So this is the first floor. And right there is a kitchen. I'll take you guys. Yeah, this is the kitchen. And then those are the stairs that take you upstairs. It's so beautiful. And then down there is the toilet. And then that's the kitchen. So let's go upstairs and show you. This is the upstairs. So this is the view upstairs. So you already know the actress here. But I'm the fake captain. Here is the real captain. Oh guys, beautiful day. I'm going to show you when it's on. And for now, enjoy me.
Se ve que ella no está puesta para el amor. Yeah, yeah. Pero eso cambiará cuando ella me vea, girl.
Porque lo sepas.
Porque ella me ha cupido a pedirle un favor. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Esperando tu DM, pa' que invites una ronda más, pa' que su labio me bese ya y se repita lo de ayer. Esperando tu DM, pa' que la noche haga lo suyo, que la fluidez le gane al orgullo y que sea lo que tú quieras hacer. Repetiría una mil veces la noche que te vi. Sabía que era ese hombre que me hace reír y me hace creer que yo soy la mujer que se merece algo puro y no solo pa' comer. Que yo lo quiera, ya no va conmigo. Ya quiero ese hombre que me sepa amar, que me además de novia también sea amigo. Sos justo, no veo, qué casualidad. Qué rico es tocar tu piel, pero más rico es el poder conectarse. Se siente mágico solo al abrazarte. Tú has prendido esa llama que arde. Qué rico es tocar tu piel, pero más rico es el poder conectarse. Sé que de locos, pero yo te amo. Yo ya no sé ni decirte. Esperando tu DM, pa' que invites una ronda más, pa' que su labio me bese ya y se repita lo de ayer. Esperando tu DM.
DM.
Let me show you guys what I'm looking at. Beautiful.
I don't make those.
Fly with the stars, I'm free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat. Make it boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Fly with the stars, I'm free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat. Make it boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. I'm glad to be alive, yeah. Cause I don't wanna waste my time, no. I'm young and dumb and hopeless, right? But I'm bound to turn out alright, yeah.
We are going to write on this for best wishes. My wish is to be happy. Be so happy. To be so happy. What about you guys? Let me know in the description. In the comment section rather. So one, you write the good things you want to happen to you, and then the other you write the bad things maybe that have been happening to you that you want to stop. Guys, I might fill this list because my life lately, it's been crazy. I'm happy to do this function. So this is this one has the bad things, this has the good things. You guys, I wrote a very huge list, but if any of them ever happens, I'll come and let you know after. Hey, please correct for me. Thank you. Oh my God. So now it's time to dispose of our blessings into the river.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Now we are praying.
the fish,
That's the live fish.
now the fish, when ready in the Mekong reservoirs in Buddhist philosophy, each land is a river. Let's go together. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey! Whoa!
Ooh, blessings, blessings, blessings. Guys. Yes, yes.
Ta-da! Okay. Good luck.
Good luck, yeah.
1 minute later, with your bitterness, burden in opposite way,
Yes,
with the big stone, go to the tip on the Mekong.
yes.
Maybe.
Mine. It's not possible.
Burden. Bitterness. Le lâcher d'amertume. Together. Go go away to the Mekong. 5. Yes.
Yes.
All come together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go away. Woo.
Woo!
Oh, merci.
Yes.
That's good.
Yes.
Captain.
Thank you, Captain. Yes, we just took our blessings. Now let's go home.